Hey guys, so I'd like to show you a cold start of this ZR185 Chinese diesel engine. Z stands for direct injection. So as you will see in a minute, it starts really well even though it's cold, which is -4 currently. I spilled some water when filling the radiator, but it's still freezing. So let's see how it starts. It has only run once right after I imported it. So this is the second run and it's still cold. It hasn't run today. Still well. It's running nice and smooth. That's why I prefer direct injection over the combustion chamber. Sorry. It smokes a little, but it's still new. The rings need to break in a little, which happens around a 2-hour continuous run. But it's still running very, very well. It's very quiet. You can hear me talking. I do not yell. I do not need to yell. The oil pressure. I do not like a new engine, but for the sake of this test, I think it's gonna be alright. Full RPM. That was a lot. Still one for a full engine. As I said, for the sake of the test, it's okay. It won't hurt it. It's shaking a little because it's only mounted to the simple plant, which is not strong. I always recommend these engines to be mounted on a rigid frame. No blocks, no rubber blocks, no silent blocks, nothing. Rigid U-channel steel frame.